Are you trying to figure out which LED driver is right for your lighting project? Whether you're working on an industrial high bay, a commercial retrofit, or an architectural display, the LED driver is the heart of your fixture, and choosing the right one is critical. At the LED lighting space, we specialize in helping contractors, facility managers, and lighting pros get the right drivers fast. So let's break down what LED drivers do and the many options available so you can make the best decision for your application. What does an LED driver do? Think of an LED driver like a power adapter. LEDs need a very specific amount of current to work safely and efficiently. The driver converts incoming voltage, whether it's from a standard 120-volt outlet or a 480-volt industrial circuit, into a controlled output that your LEDs can use. Input voltage options. Depending on where you're installing your lighting, the input voltage can vary widely. Make sure your driver matches the voltage available at the job site. If you're unsure, our team at LED Lighting Space can help. Constant current versus constant voltage. Choosing the right output type ensures peak performance and protects your LEDs. Dimming options. Lighting control matters for mood, energy savings, and longevity. Many of the drivers we offer at the LED Lighting Space come ready for advanced control systems right out of the box. Programmable and field-adjustable drivers. If flexibility is important, look for programmable drivers and field-selectable drivers. These options help you stock fewer items while covering a wider range of applications. Driver form factors and mounting styles. Choose the right form factor for your fixture. There is no standard size, and you want to make sure the replacement driver will fit and not have any issues with heat. Whether you need built-in, remote, or standalone drivers, LED Lighting Space has you covered. Protection features. A quality LED driver protects your system. Look for over voltage, short circuit, over temperature, surge protection. Most models we carry are built for long-lasting performance and safety. Certifications and compliance. Be sure your driver meets code. We only stock name-brand certified drivers that meet or exceed the latest standards. Specialty drivers and features. Need something specific? We carry drivers with dual-channel outputs for tunable white or RGBW battery backup compatibility, low flicker for video, studio use, smart features with diagnostics and cloud control. We partner with leading manufacturers like Advance, OSRAM, Eldo LED, Bodine, GE, Espen, Inventronics, and more. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, your LED driver determines how well your lighting performs, how long it lasts, and how much control you have over it. Need help picking the right driver? Visit us at the ledlightingspace.com or contact our team. We're an authorized distributor, and we're here to power up your lighting project the smart way.